and search graphics order, and in the graphics go to OBS, click on options. So in my case it was high performance. I just changed it to power saving mode. For OBS it should pick your integrated graphics, not NVIDIA. And after that I saved it, and after that if you start your OBS it will work. After that I was getting one more error, that your video driver is not installed correctly. So for that what I did, I just went to settings, and in the output I selected this encoder software. It should be software, not hardware. It solves your problem. So now I'm able to record my screen. As you can see, I can go